Today, I'm going to teach you a practical, juicy recipe that practically makes itself. We start by cutting one onion into medium pieces. Now, let's cut half a red bell pepper. Besides adding flavor, it makes the dish look much more beautiful. Next, we cut one tomato. It will release its juices in the oven and help keep everything nice and tender. Where are you watching this video from? Write it in the comments so I can know. Now it's time for one potato, cut into pieces that aren't too small. Do you usually use potatoes? Or do you prefer to swap them for another vegetable? Let me know in the comments. Then we cut one carrot. It brings a slight sweetness and is perfect for this recipe. And now, 17.6, 3 grams of meat cut into small pieces. Here, you can use the meat you like the most. What type of meat do you usually use in this kind of recipe? With everything chopped, we'll need an oven-safe cooking bag. Place all the ingredients inside, without fear. Now comes the magic of the seasonings. Season with salt, turmeric or saffron, paprika, black pepper, a generous drizzle of olive oil, and 1 chopped garlic clove. Mix everything very well inside the bag so the seasonings coat every piece. At this stage, the smell already starts to promise something delicious, right? If you like this kind of practical recipe, leave a like to support me. After mixing, seal the bag well, place it in a glass baking dish, and make a few small holes in the bag. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. While it bakes, you can relax, because the oven does all the work. When it comes out of the oven, be careful when opening it, because the aroma is irresistible. Finish with fresh parsley on top, just to give it that final touch. And now tell me, what did you think of this recipe? Would you make it at home? Save this video so you don't lose it, and share it with anyone who loves practical cooking.